Is your Xiaomi phone's Wi-Fi is showing error connected to the device? Can't provide internet? Then don't panic. These issues may arise for router or device issues. Therefore, in this video, I'll help you fix it step by step. So without worrying about the details, let's move on to the solutions. Before you start, refresh your network. Open dialer, type *#*4636 #*#*. Tap Wi-Fi information. Tap Wi-Fi status. Tap refresh status. Solution 1. Change the DNS. Changing the DNS based on your networks can be helpful when dealing with such issues. So, open your settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the forward arrow icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Scroll down and tap on IP settings. Select it to static. Then scroll down, and on the DNS1 section, type 8.8.8.8. Once you're done, go to the DNS2 section and type 8.8.4.4. After that, hit the check mark at the top and see if your problem is fixed or not. If that did not fix the problem, then come back here and this time on the DNS1 section, type 1.1.1.1. Then on the DNS2 section, type 1.0.0.1. Once done, hit the check mark at the top to confirm your action. Solution 2. Enable the developer options. Go to Settings, then tap on About Phone. In here, tap on your operating system version a few times. It's usually enough to tap for about 5 to 7 times, and after that, developer option will be enabled on your phone. Once that's done, go back and scroll down. Tap on Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap on Developer Options. In the Developer Options, you will need to change a few settings. Scroll down and find a setting called Enable Wi-Fi Verbose Logging and toggle it on. Then find Wi-Fi Scan Throttling and toggle it on as well. If you find this setting being enabled already, toggle it off and then back on again. Then scroll down a bit and toggle on Mobile Data Always Active. After that, toggle on Tethering Hardware Acceleration. This will make your connection faster. Once this is done, close Settings and restart your phone. Now see if that fixed the problem or not. Developer options usually fix common issues that are related to Wi-Fi connections. But if even that did not work for you, try out one last solution to troubleshoot the issue. So guys, that's how you can fix the connected to device can't provide internet error on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more solutions like this. Thanks a lot for watching.